Assalamualaikum. Yeah, my wife and I am gonna try and replace this this part here. Okay, because the refrigerator is not cooling, so this part here we have to replace. So we are trying to we ordered the part from Amazon and watched a couple of videos, and the guy, the mechanic, he said this the problem is with the inverter board. Doesn't make the compressor work, or does not make the refrigerator cool. So that's what we're about to replace. So we're gonna replace that. We pull the refrigerator out so we can get a better look at it, and then we're gonna remove that part and then remove this one out. We made sure the plug is unplugged so you don't get electric shock or what have you. You never want to work with your appliance connected.
Okay,
so
before this
is our first time we're doing it. Inshallah, we are
clean this, please.
successful. Then you see this fan and the condenser part. You need to clean around it because a lot of times you never clean it and it's dirty. But this ours is a little cleaner because we cleaned it a year ago when they stopped. So basically this part here, so we have to take the the ground cable out. Yes. We're gonna replace the inverter, which is right here, because the refrigerator stopped working. It's not cooling the refrigerator part or the freezer part. We had somebody diagnose the problem. We found the part on Amazon and watched a video. It's looks like it's pretty straightforward, but you have something in the way, so we have to figure out this part here. You see this? So we have to take this underneath. So we may have to open this guy, and so we can move that part. That's the compressor, and that's the condenser part. And you see, we cleaned it up, and it's a little dirty over there. Yeah, see, we just used vacuum machine and cleaned it. It's still a little dirty. We used a little brush to get the dirt loose and then suck it up.
This.
Yeah, just unplug it.
Okay, we remove this.
Yeah.
We removed this before. We have to remove this. One here, this coming from another side. Okay, this coming from another one. This one I remove this. Okay. You have to remove this like this. I see this one. This two. Yes. Now it's a little. يا ربي. I remove this and I don't see.
Habiba, just put whatever video you can, please.
Huh?
Just put whatever video you can. Okay, خلاص. This one we still open it, lift it.
Okay, lift it شوي. Lift like this. I have to remove this. More. Yes. Okay, good.
Leave it.
Leave it. حيدنا ها. هيا كتشوفوها. Okay. I did it.
You removed it.
Huh?
You removed it.
I did it.
Okay, you removed
I remove it. Okay.
Lift it.
Wait. See what I do. Yeah, I have to put it like this. Good. Okay, good. Leave it. We put this. Okay.
What is that? There's no screw or anything with that.
No. This no screw, nothing. I have to put this again. Yeah, like this. Should I push it?
You know, if somebody...
Bravo.
Huh?
Bravo!
I put this one too.
Right, I put another one.
Oh, it's a pen. It's like a quarter pen. Use your screwdriver to push
No.
it.
My hand more. Okay.
Bravo. Good job. Connect all those plugs.
Here. I put this like this down. You put one here. Now I put this like this. Not easy.
Huh?
Not easy.
Good. Bravo.
Yeah,
Now
put
it's
it like this, okay?
okay. Now
Now we put screw.
Good. Oh, here.
We take this and this.
Yep.
Like this?
Yeah.
No, I think this color with this color, black with black.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, that's hot wire.
this one. We connect this with this. You see?
The pin. You can only put it one way.
Nothing.
Huh? You got it? Okay, now the ground cable. Oh!
Same.
It's not the same.
No.
That's why they give you this cable. Wow.
Can they give this cable for this?
No, the original cable will come here.
Ah, okay. This with this, okay. Okay, it's just red with red, white with white, and we plug it with this extra cable.
Ah, it works.
Yeah,
That's right.
like this. Put extra cable. هنا هذا السخنة هذا عطاني انه ماشي بحال زدنا هذا اللي زايد باش this extra cable.
Ground cable.
Yeah, ground cable.
The green one. This green one.
That's why they give more.
Yeah, because the older parts they have different connections, so they give you an extra connection, which will match with the refrigerator.
بقات لنا هادي وهادي. Good. And we put this.
Make sure it's all the way so that no wire gets in contact with it.
I know.
All the way inside.
Like this. Rubber هكذا. All the wires like this, everything.
That's it.
Okay. That's it.
Connect the, say Bismillah and connect the power.
I finish.
Habiba, connect the power or you want me to connect? Cable.
Okay.
You connect it because you do all the work. Say Bismillah and put it inside. This are the on from here? It's on from there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, just connect. Finished, no?
Yeah, finish.
Yeah, remove all that stuff.
I don't make the video for this when I remove this.
Yeah, we have to put that here.
Where is this?
It's right there in the back.
Hey, wait.
Okay, don't worry, but just turn it and
No,
connect
just
it
wait,
again.
we connect it and we see what's happened now. استنى نشوف.
Make sure it's cool. Thank you for being a part of another success.
Okay. نشوف.
Let's connect it first, Bismillah.
بسم الله. Working.
MashaAllah.
My refrigerator working.
Bravo. MashaAllah, Mabruk. Tabarakallah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. We did it.
We did
Not we,
it.
you did it, mashallah. Okay, I have to put the cover now, okay?
Okay.
Move it like this or what?
Yeah.